Because we market strictly through the CEDIA channel, we provide pre and post-sale support. So we work with you to engineer the system and optimize it for the client's home. It's a similar situation to doing panelized lighting, it's just math. But we also provide that post-sale support with our white glove commissioning and ensuring that everything works properly for the client at that point in time. Our systems come with a 3-year advanced replacement warranty. So we monitor every single component inside the system, incoming and outgoing. So if we see a product that's starting to fail, then we will advance replace the defective component so that we're able to put this and take care of our client without them noticing any challenges for their power for their home. For more information on the RoseWater products, please go to RoseWaterEnergy.com. We have a lot of information on there and all of our contact information. We'd love to work with you on your next project and help get RoseWater in to protect your clients' homes.